In electrical control drawings we have relays and its contactors, and they are inserted in the required locations as planned in circuit design. In standard CAD drawings we can't get the location details. Here in this drawing, we are using blocks for relay and relay contact with attribute. We are filling the relay attribute with our required detail of the contact location address according to the drawing page number, X and Y coordinates. X distance of layout split by alphabets from A to K and Y distance with numbers from 1 to 34. So the location of K01 contact mentioned here as 11.C12. We are using the LISP script to collect and calculate these details and update them into block attributes concerned with their location in different pages. Wire start and end points are also marked with these location details. And finally, all layout areas are exported into single PDF pages for merging.